It happened upon a midsummer's eve, when the moon shone brightly on wave and foam. A silky maid swam into the shore and placed her sealskin on a stone. Her skin was as fair as pale moonlight, her hair as black as a raven's wing. Young Thomas McGann could scarce believe his eyes to see this fair maid dance and sing. See voices calling across the foam. Green waves are whispering, this is your home. With a cry of delight, he snatched her sealskin. He took her by a trembling hand. He's taken her home to be his sweet bride. Now it's 7 long years she's lived on the land. Although she has borne him 2 bonny babes, and though she loves them oh so dear, yet still she pines for her devotion home, and every day she cries salty tears. I am a wife upon the land, I am a silkie on the sea, and when I'm far from every strand, my home it is in soul's scary. See voices calling across the foam. Green